Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to review a ROM called DOTOS. It is the latest version of DOTOS. I know DOTOS is a bit old ROM. It had been in the market for quite a long time, and I'm just reviewing it since I found it attractive to use. I started to use DOTOS from my Redmi Note 5 Plus wins. First we had Pi and then we had Android 11. Now I am reviewing the same ROM on POCO M3 Citrus. This is an unofficial build. So let's start our review from the quick settings itself. As you can see that we have a very wonderful user interface for the quick settings, and we can see that there is a pill-shaped bar over here to display the network indicator and battery indicator. Well, that's really cool, and we have a good brightness slider too. Now when we talk about DOTOS, we can say that DOTOS has just given the Android the user interface same like Android 12 on Android 11. So if you just want to have some Android 12 experience on an Android 11 ROM, well, definitely you can try DOTOS in this scenario. Now starting from the launcher that is being used in this particular ROM is Google Launcher. As you can see that there isn't much any customization and stuff like that. And coming to the widgets, we will get Android 12 widgets. So this is the analog clock over here. Let me maximize it for you. So this is great, isn't it? You get Android 12 widgets on Android 11 ROM. If you search in the Play Store, you can install custom Android 12 widgets. I do agree with that. Some widgets do have problems since the hours is being displayed and the minutes, it's displayed in white. So once you turn into dark mode, you can see the minutes. If you want to do that, I guess that's a bug or something like that. So coming up, these all are the applications that you get with the GApps version of the ROM. I'm using the GApps version of the ROM. Then going to settings page, as you can see, you get you get the user interface like Android 12 ROM. Look, let me go through each and every options. Connected devices, customization. Now customization is the place where you can customize the ROM. Either you can go for system colors, you can select one of custom system colors, or you can select the color from wallpaper, so you can interchange the wallpaper color. So the thing works same like the monitor thing on Android 12, which is really great. This is really cool. So the first option you will be having is lock screen clock. You get some low screen clock, which are nice options. Launcher grid, system font, you just get a handful of system fonts. There isn't a much very good choice of fonts, but you get some. Icon shapes, look at the way they display the icon shapes and all. It's really wonderful, isn't it? Icon pack, the standard A11 icon pack you get. Settings cards, disable notification transparency. It will disable the notification transparency from here. Okay, so let's take a look at the more settings. Always on display and lock screen, well, it is not yet supported. Status bar, you get these all are options in status bar. You can customize the status bar battery option. You just need to slide it over here and select whichever option that is convenient to you. These all are the options that you get underneath here. The default network traffic indicator is being is being disabled by default. If you want to enable it, you can definitely enable that. Then quick settings, you get option to customize the rows and columns and the number of rows and columns in quick settings. App lock, you can lock certain applications. I guess it is not working with this particular ROM. Buttons, system, if you want to enable or disable, double tap to wake up on status bar or lock screen, you can certainly do that. If you want to hide the navigation bar pill, you can certainly do that. Now that is about the customization option that DOTOS is offering to you. Then you get gaming dashboard for the gaming mode or something like that. I don't play regular games, so I'm not interested in it. Then display, you get option for dark theme. So once you enable dark theme, as you can see that it's really wonderful. It blends into the monet customization. So it's not perfectly black, it's some kind of black, but it's really great. Let me turn off the dark theme, come back, then go to sounds. You get these custom seek bar and stuff like that. So these are all of the options that you get underneath sounds. Battery, yeah, the traditional DOTOS battery meter is present over here, and all the informations are neatly packed and they are neatly displayed, so which is really great. Then these all are the options that you get with DOTOS. I mean, the ROM doesn't offer a lot of customization, or we cannot say that the ROM is full of customization, but the ROM is really practical. You get a new user interface on Android 11, and the entire user interface is matching to the Android 12. So the ROM is really great, and I'm using the latest Fury kernel with the ROM, as you can see from here. Look, yeah, the ROM is using Android 11. So what are my final verdicts about the ROM? I mean, yeah, this clock interface, if you change theme, you can see the hour and minutes from here. So what are my final verdicts about the ROM? Well, if you just want to experience Android 11 Android 12 in Android 11, definitely you can consider DOTOS, and you can consider DOTOS if you want a new kind of user interface. So that's it. Have I found any bugs with the ROM? I'm not sure about bugs. I haven't used the ROM for very long time, so I'm unaware about the bugs, but I just want to show you the user interface and stuff like that. So guys, if you are really interested in it, you can install the ROM and give it a try, despite the fact if your device is being